Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hey, my name is Tom E, and I'm just going to cut through the muck and the hype right now and ask you a simple question. Would you like to legally exploit a cookie error on a $1 trillion website and make $50 a day from it without selling a single thing? Because that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do in the next 2 minutes. I want you to forget everything you know about affiliate marketing and picture this instead. 1, I send you unlimited free traffic. 2, someone clicks on your affiliate link, but they don't buy from you. But for the next 24 hours, you get paid commissions for everything else they buy in their lives. And I mean everything from groceries to books to computers to regular affiliate products to anything you can think of. You, my friend, will get a commission on all of it simply because they clicked on one special link of yours. Now picture hundreds of people clicking on that affiliate link daily automatically. That's exactly what this new out-of-the-box method does. I'm going to get you free traffic to your link, not to try to sell them anything, but to simply make them click your link so you get a commission on everything else they buy in their lives in the next 24 hours. This has never been done by anyone else before, and I'm about to let you in on it. This cookie error works so well and so consistently that I'm going to make you a promise right now. If you're willing to follow my instructions, it will be impossible for you not to succeed with it. Not virtually impossible. It will actually be impossible for you not to succeed thanks to the way that we're exploiting this cookie error. I promise you. 100%. Also, this cookie error has existed inside of this $1 trillion company for over 5 years, so you don't have to worry about it going away. And they generated over $167 billion just in the first 3 months of this year from over 300 million users. And we get to receive automatic commissions from it without selling anyone a single thing, thanks to our clever little 24-hour cookie hack. Now, the way the money comes in is just as unusual as the method itself. So I mentioned $50 a day, right? Because this isn't a system that's going to bring us untold riches. Rather, it generates our users large numbers of very small commissions. I call them micro commissions around the clock, anywhere from 10 cents up to $100, landing us right around $50 each and every day, or about $1,500 a month. And as our early users say, watching those micro commissions come in is a ton of fun, especially the first one. That first notifications, 27 cents, $1.84, $6.03, whatever the number, it's very exciting to watch, especially given that all you did was set something up once. So how does this system work in real life? Well, here's an example. Jessica clicks your link without buying and forgets about it. The next morning, she buys a treadmill, and just like that, you get a $22 commission. Bob also clicks your affiliate link, but does not buy from you. And later, he shops for groceries. You clear a $3 commission. Andrea clicks your link at 11 p.m., but doesn't buy. The next evening, she realizes, oh, I'm out of face soap, so she buys one. You just made a 35-cent commission. That's actually the beauty of cookie dollars. We show you how to set things up so that you literally get hundreds of Jessicas, Bobs, and Andreas clicking on your link daily, creating a huge network of 24-hour cookies, all programmed to produce these micro commissions around the clock. And let me tell you, those micro commissions add up really, really fast. You see, you're used to only making money when someone buys something from your link, right? Cookie dollars flips all that on its head so that now when someone does not buy, we still get paid. And we do that by exploiting the fact that everybody shops, yourself included. And we found a way to get paid every time that happens. We all need food, drinks, coffee, soap, laundry, clothing, shoes, and basic necessities. And just the same, every single day, people buy dog food, treadmills, couch sets, coffee makers, pet beds, espresso machines, refrigerators, and the list goes on. And now, for the first time in your life, you have an opportunity to actually get paid a commission from all these little everyday things people are buying, but without ever actually selling them. We don't have to sell anyone. We don't have to persuade anyone. We simply cookie regular people, automatically generating commissions from everything else they buy in their lives for the next 24 hours. The setup is super simple too. Here's the 3-step playbook that will teach you inside of Cookie Dollars. 1, we show you how to set up your 24-hour cookie link, 2 to 5 minutes. 2, unleash your free built-in traffic. Thanks to our unique hack, traffic is always free and bountiful. And 3, we'll show you how to automate it so those clicks to your 24-hour cookie link keep coming in every day without you having to even monitor it. We set it up once, let the 24-hour cookie do the work, and watch tiny commissions trickle in 24/7 over and over and over and over. And let's just be brutally honest for a second. Most methods that you've tried all have one thing in common. They made you chase. You're chasing followers, chasing clicks, chasing those commissions that never seem to happen. You do all the work, and maybe if everything lines up, you make money. Well, we turn all that on its head. Our members don't chase. They don't push. They don't try to force commissions. They simply follow our step-by-step directions on how to drop a 24-hour cookie. And from there, the folks who got cookie by you go on about their day, as they always do, shopping for things they need in their lives, completely unaware that our members are making small commissions from everything they're buying for the next 24 hours. It's a thing of beauty is what it is. And once enough people are cookied, it's a straight up domino effect from there. At that point, it becomes impossible for our users to not get commissions. And yes, this is 100% legal and ethical, in case you wondered. Cookie Dollars is for you if you're done trying to make people buy something from your links in order to make money. You're tired of that hustle and competing with an army of other affiliates to get sales. Cookie Dollars is really, really simple. You set it up once, you flick the switch, and you let the 24-hour cookie do the rest. Need to make more than our average $50 a day? Not a problem. Rinse and repeat. This method is super scalable, and since our software is doing 90% of the work, it's very, very easy to scale. We give you the software, the system, the free traffic, and the automation tools that make this run 24/7, even while you're sleeping, binging Netflix, or forget you ever set it up. I've been in this business for over 13 years. I've promoted thousands of products, and I've never seen a method that's truly impossible to not succeed with until we discovered this cookie error. It does not matter who does this method, whether you're 10 or 90 years old, whether you're a green-faced newbie or not. As long as you follow our easy directions, it's literally impossible to fail with Cookie Dollars. Why is it impossible to fail? Because again, unlike regular marketing, we don't care if people click on our links and don't buy, because within the next 24 hours, we're going to get them. We're going to make money on them from everything else they're buying in their lives. Again, courtesy of our 24-hour cookie. I also realize that a lot of you are struggling extra hard right now with the world being what it is. And that's another thing that's great about this method. It can give you the kind of security that other income methods simply cannot. How? Because people always need to buy stuff to live. Groceries, batteries, dog food, sodas, shampoo, replacing their broken dishwasher. And as users of Cookie Dollars, we're right there getting commissions from all of it, thanks to that 24-hour cookie. Wouldn't it be nice to have an income that you can always count on no matter what, even if it's just $50 a day? That's exactly what Cookie Dollars is designed to do. All you have to do is buy it, set it up, and follow our instructions. With that said, my friend, I would like to warmly invite you to become a member of Cookie Dollars yourself. I promise you it will be worth it. Getting in is pretty straightforward. Hit the buy button below the video, but don't wait too long though, because we're only accepting new members for a limited time to prevent saturation. When we see, or if we see too many members using our software, we're going to shut down entry for new members, shut down the sales page to make sure our current members' income does not go below $50 per person. If you're still on the fence, just if you knew what I know, what we know about the impossibility of not succeeding with this method when you follow our simple directions, I'm telling you, you would get on board this instant, and I really hope you do. That's all I'm going to say. The ball is now in your court. Thanks again so much for your time today, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on the inside.